Very good evening, dear friends. Welcome in our YouTube channel Ascent Online Class. Myself Vikram. Today's our topic is human heart. Heart is the most important part of our body. Heart situated between the lungs. Heart shape like as fist यानी मुट्ठी के समान. Heart weight in adult human is 250 to 350 grams. Heart weight in adult women in 200 to 275 grams. Heart wall made by three layers: pericardium, myocardium, endocardium. Heart covered by a membrane, it's called pericardium. Heart's middle layer made by muscles, it's called myocardium. Heart's tissue inner layer who aligns the chamber of heart is called endocardium. Endocardium provide protection wall and heart chambers. Heart shrinks and swell continuously by these activities. Heart send or transport blood in whole body. Now we discuss about cardiac mechanism यानी हृदय की क्रियाविधि. How to work heart in human body. Heart work like as pump and it's divided into two parts. First right and second left. Both parts different one another by muscles drum. It's called septum. Due to septum does not transfer blood left to right and right to left. The right side of our heart receives oxygen poor blood or impure blood from our veins and pumps it to our lungs when it picks up oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The left side of our heart receives oxygen rich blood or pure blood from our lungs and pumps it through our arteries to the rest of our body. Now we discuss about inner part of our heart. Inner part of our heart is divided into four chambers, two upper chambers and two lower chambers. Up to who receives blood in heart is called atrium. Atrium को हिंदी में आलिंद कहते हैं. Bottom part who pumps blood is called ventricle. Ventricle को हिंदी में निलय कहते हैं. Our heart has two atrium and two ventricles. Atrium does few works related to blood, so its muscles are narrow, but ventricles are thick and strong because it pumps blood with high pressure. A blood vessel that comes blood is low in oxygen content from the body back to heart is called veins. Veins do two works, whom up top vein is called superior vena cava and bottom part vein is called inferior vena cava. The oxygen poor blood from the hemoglobin in venous blood makes it appear dark. Veins are part of the afferent wing of the circulatory system which returns blood to the heart. The right atrium receives oxygen poor blood or impure blood from the body and pumps it to the right ventricle through the tricuspid wall. The right ventricle pumps the oxygen poor blood to the lungs through the pulmonary wall. Lungs purify the blood means carbon dioxide is exhale and oxygen is inhale and oxygen dissolves in lungs. The left atrium receives oxygen rich blood or pure blood from the lungs and pumps its left ventricle through the mitral valve. The left ventricle pumps the oxygen rich blood through the aorta valves out of the rest of our body. This is the order of blood circulation is continuously lifetime non-stop and without getting rid.